Hello, good evening, dear students. This is Sonia Kaushik, and we are going to explain what will be the objective criteria for class 12th CBSE result. And you all students are waiting for that how your result will be prepared. So let's start the video. In this video, I will tell you that how your result will be prepared. Right. So let's start. So the CBSE have released the class 12th evaluation criteria 2-3 days before, and according to that criteria, Supreme Court also decided that, and the special committee in the Supreme Court decided that your evaluation criteria will be based on the performance in the last 3 years, right, in class 10th, 11th and 12th. So your result will be prepared from that only. So let's discuss what will be the percentage of marks that is taken from last 3 years. So your 30% marks will be based on class 10th, 30% from class 11th and 40% from class 12th. And from class 10th, this 30% marks will be based on the best 3 performing subject in the board exam 2019. यानी कि बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम में आपके बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस जिन सब्जेक्ट्स में रही थी उनका 30% यहाँ पे लिया जाएगा. एंड इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट क्लास 11th, 30% विल बी बेस्ड ऑन द एनुअल एग्ज़ाम. क्लास 11th में जो आपके एनुअल एग्ज़ाम हुए थे उसका 30% रिजल्ट यहाँ पर लेंगे. ठीक है. क्लास 12th की बात करें सो 40% marks will be based on the unit test, midterm and pre-board exam, and this will be decided by the school ki whether this 40% will be taken from pre-board only या midterm only, and they can take the marks from midterm as well as from unit test, right? So so you can see that 30, 30, 60 and 40, 100. So this will be the marks criteria. So that is 40% from class 12th, 30% from class 11th result and 30% from class 10th result, right? So the result committee of the school will decide that weightage will be given from the pre-board only or midterm or unit test in class 12th. In other, it's fixed that class 11th theory marks will be considered. 30% जो आपको मार्क्स मिलेंगे दैट विल बी फ्रॉम थ्योरी एग्ज़ाम, फाइनल थ्योरी एग्ज़ाम जो आपके हुए हैं. क्लास 10th में बेस्ट 3 सब्जेक्ट्स का जो आपका रिजल्ट रहा है दैट विल बी कंसिडर्ड. सो आई होप नाउ इट्स क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू दैट हाउ योर रिजल्ट विल बी prepared, and your schools are preparing the result, and it will be uploaded or updated by 31st July by the schools, and then CBSE will out the results. Okay, so this is all about your class 12th board marks and objective criteria for your marks. So I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button. Do share this video if it's useful for all of you.